Hello all, just now we have learned from this requirement how we develop this battery management system. Now we can see how does this battery management system will work. So for this, I'll simulate this model. Okay, so you can see the model is simulating now. But my main switch is on. I'll just make it to the turn off here. Okay, once it is off, nothing will work. If I have raised this voltage, nothing will work here, that my light is always 0. But if I'll make it to the on and I'll raise my temperature somewhere in between 15, or I'll make it to the more than 20. So you can see the color is becoming in the green. Okay. So the color is changing here. And if it's in between 10 to 20, you can see it's become a red now. Okay. For the time being, it will wait for 5 seconds only. Okay. For the 5 seconds, it will be, I can say red. After 5 seconds, it is becoming a off. How does battery will work? The same kind of functionality I have tried to implement it here. So if my battery percentage is 100, then it should be always in the red. Okay. Sorry, it should be always in the green. So you can see if I'm moving simply here through this, it will be always green. Okay. Now, if I reach to 100 also, you can see this constant is become 100. That means my battery is completely fully charged. Now what will happen? I use my mobile phone or something, my battery will get discharged to somewhat 70%, or it will come to 50%. So some of the phones are getting notification like 50% of your battery is occupied or consumed in this way. Again, we will get some notification on 25. So somewhat that way at 25. Okay, your battery is less now, so you can use info as per that or connect to the charger. So now if my temperature is coming to down till 20, nothing will happen. But below 20, you can see the red color is going to be on. And after the 5 second, it will become a white. Okay, that means my battery is got turned off into the off state. And if now it is in a green state. So same thing, I'll show you here inside. Okay. Now you can see my simulation it's in a on state. But if I'll make this battery temperature to in between 10 to 20, till this time you can see it's in a low battery only for 5 seconds, then it will move to the off state. You can see it's moved here to the off state. Okay, now if I again increase the battery voltage, you can see here it will come here into the on state. Okay, now this voltage is if I again decrease here, it will come to the low battery. Then after 5 seconds, it will move to the off state. So this process will continuously work when we will do charging, discharging, charging, discharging. So in this way, our simple battery management will work. So this is a simple project which I have tried to take a BMS battery management. So how we are getting a notification for our cell phones battery or laptop batteries, I can say in this way, this thing will work. Okay, so that's all about this BMS. Thank you.